students, today we are going to understand the solar system. Now what is solar system, students? Solar system is, it is the sun, the moon, the stars, all the 8 planets and asteroids and meteoroids. This all together makes the solar system. And what do we call this? All the sun, the moon, the stars, the 8 planets, asteroids, meteoroids and these all. This is called solar family. What we call?
Solar family.
Like for example, in our family, grandmother, father, then sister, brother, mother, father. These all are there. Uncle, aunt. What they make? These all make family. So the star, the sun, the moon, and all the 8 planets, asteroids and meteoroids, it all make. These are the member of solar system. So this is the family of solar. Okay, this is solar family. Now you can see that there are how many planets, students? 8 planets. Now look at this. Sun is at the center and the closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Which is the planet?
Mercury.
It is how many kilometers away from the sun? 58 kilometers away from the sun. Then next planet after Mercury is Venus. It is how much kilometer? It is
8.
8 kilometers. Okay. It is million kilometers, students, not kilometers. It is million kilometer. Okay. This is 58 million kilometers away from the sun. Venus is 108 kilometers away from the sun. And Earth is how much kilometer away? Million kilometers away? It is 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Then Mars is 228 million kilometers, million kilometers from the sun. So you can see here Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, and Neptune. This is okay. And previously there was one more planet, that was Pluto, and now it has went to the space. Okay, now it is not in existence. Okay, understood? So in the solar system, this sun is the star. Okay, it is at the center of the solar system, and it is having its own heat and light. It is very much. It is how sun is made. Sun is made from the hot gases. Okay, it is made up of extremely hot gases. Now you can see here, students, that do you know how this white color? Can you see this? This is called the orbit. What we call it? Orbit. Orbit. It is the path on which the Earth will revolve around the sun. Around the sun. This is the sun at the center. Then Earth will revolve around this sun. This path is called orbit. Okay. So how many days Earth take to revolve around this orbit? 365 days. And how many days it takes to complete one rotation? 1 day. Okay, students, now I will tell you what is axis and what is orbit. Orbit is this part. This white color you can see, this is orbit. जिसमें Earth क्या करता है पूरे sun के around it will revolve. Okay, then Earth will rotate at the same place on its axis or on its same place. So how much time it takes? It takes complete 1 day to complete one rotation. Now you can see here. Right? Now first Mercury. Mercury takes how many days to complete one orbit around the sun? Mercury takes 88 days. How many days? 88 days to complete one revolution around the orbit, that means around the sun. Okay, that means देखो यहाँ पे Earth is taking 365 days and here it is taking how many days? 88 days. That means this Mercury, it is revolving very fast complete one rotation. Rotation means around its axis. Okay. And next one is Earth. We already know Earth takes how many days? Only 1 day to complete one rotation around the axis. Okay. Then Mars also takes 1 day to complete one rotation around the axis. Jupiter takes how many? It takes only 9 hours 56 minutes. Okay, 9 hours 56 minutes. And Saturn takes 10 hours. Okay, you can see in your textbook it is given. Saturn takes 29 years to complete one revolution and to complete one rotation only just 10 hours. Okay, and Uranus takes 84 years to complete one rotation around the orbit. Okay, and 17 hours to complete one rotation. And Neptune finally to move around this orbit and to complete one revolution around the sun, and 16 hours to complete one rotation. Understood?
Yes.